Let us do question number 6a. Determine the values of p and q in this equation. The equation is 5 sin x minus 3 cos x is equal to p e to power x plus q e to power negative x. This is about hyperbolic functions. But before we do it, let us remind ourselves what is sin x and cos x and probably than x. Sin x is equal to e to power x minus e to power negative x over 2, while cos x is equal to e to power x plus e to power negative x divided by 2. And than x is equal to e to power x minus e to power negative x over e to power x plus e to power negative x. So let us use these two expressions of sin x and cos x to find the value of p and q. We are going to replace cos x and sin x with these values given here in the expressions. So we rewrite the equation again with those values. So 5 instead of now sin x, we write e to power x minus e to power negative x divided by 2 minus 3 e to power x plus e to power negative x divided by 2. We have replaced cos x there. We get now p e to power x plus q e to power negative x. So let us open the brackets. What we have now is 5 multiplied by sin x. We get 5 over 2 e to power x minus 5 over 2 e to power negative x minus 3 e to power 3 over 2 e to power x minus 3 over 2 e to power negative x. Let us put like terms together. So we want to reduce the expression by combining those two and also combining these two. So we have 5 over 2 e to power x minus 3 over 2 e to power x. It gives us e to power x. Then we have negative 5 over 2 e to power x minus 3 over 2 e to power negative x. And when we combine the two, here we get 8 over 2, so we get negative 4 e to power negative x. So we have reduced those two values here. That is, we have reduced to that. This other one here, we have reduced to that. Now we have e to power x minus 4 e to power negative x is equal to p e to power x plus q e to power negative x. Now looking at this problem, we find that this term here and this term are equal, while this term and this term are equal. E to power x is equal to p e to power x, which implies that p is equal to 1. Q e to power x is equal to negative 4 e to power x, which implies that q is equal to negative 4. So we have done our problem. That is, it said it was a simple one. Thank you for listening.